Welcome to Secret Hub, your ultimate destination for all things content writing. Today we're diving deep into the world of content writing, exploring the introduction and basics that will set you on the path to becoming a skilled content creator. So grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. Content writing is the art of crafting engaging and informative written material that captures the attention of your audience. Whether you're writing blog posts, articles, social media content, or website copy, the principles we'll discuss today apply across the board. Before you start writing, it's essential to understand who your target audience is. Who are you trying to reach with your content? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Conducting thorough audience research allows you to tailor your content to their preferences and create a meaningful connection. Next, let's talk about structuring your content. A well-organized piece of writing keeps readers engaged and makes it easier for them to follow your ideas. Consider using a clear introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Break down complex information into smaller, digestible sections, and use subheadings to guide your readers through the content. One of the first things that grabs a reader's attention is the headline. A compelling headline entices people to click and read your content. It should be concise, attention-grabbing, and convey the value or benefit of the article. Don't be afraid to get creative and use power words to evoke emotion and curiosity. Understanding SEO. Now, let's tackle search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO involves optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results, making it more discoverable. Research relevant keywords related to your topic and strategically incorporate them into your content. Pay attention to meta tags, alt text for images, and internal and external linking to enhance your SEO efforts. Developing a unique voice. Developing a unique voice is crucial for content writers. Your voice is your writing style, tone, and personality shining through your words. Experiment with different tones, whether it's formal, conversational, or witty, and find a style that resonates with your audience. Be authentic and let your personality shine to create a memorable reading experience. Editing and proofreading. No piece of writing is complete without proper editing and proofreading. Always review your content for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and clarity issues. Read it out loud to ensure it flows smoothly. Consider enlisting the help of a trusted proofreader or using online tools to catch any errors you may have missed. Continuous learning and improvement. Content writing is a never-ending learning process. Stay up to date with industry trends, explore new writing techniques, and analyze the performance of your content. Use analytics tools to understand which pieces resonate with your audience and refine your approach accordingly. Remember, practice makes man perfect. And there you have it. An introduction to the basics of content.